Hey you guys. No, what was that? Ugh. I ate a helium balloon or something. That was really bad. Let's try it again. Hey you guys. So I'm back with another video. Sorry about this. It's my reflector. Reflecting the light. Reducing this double chin. I filmed this eye look for you guys. It's just literally a cut crease that I thought of in the moment. Like I didn't plan this look at all. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. But first, I want to, first of all, thank you guys for watching the video and clicking on it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. I already did this eye off camera because if I do both eyes on camera, we'll be here forever. We are going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette one more time. We're going to be using this one right here as a transition. It's kind of like a orangey brownish, has a yellow undertone. Okay. And I'm going to take my M441. It's just a fluffy blending brush. We're going to take it, tap off the excess, of course. And we're going to put it right here. You want to bring it kind of like into the inner corner a little and feather it out at the end so it's not so harsh, you know. Next I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a maroonish, brownish, reddish-ish color. And I'm going to put that in my, I'm going to create that color for that cut crease. We're going to take that shade and we're going to take this. This is an elf brush, elf smudge brush, but I like that it's so like really thin, so I can really get in there to create that line for the cut crease. I'm gonna take this, create that faux crease. And then we're gonna take this Morphe M506 brush and just kind of diffuse that line so it's not so harsh. You want to take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I need more palettes. The black shade. I'm taking this little fine crease brush. I've had it for a long time. It's really tiny. It comes in handy because I have baby eyes. And I put it on the outer corner. I have to grab some more. Just a little bit. You literally just want a little bit. You put it in that corner like so. I'm taking my Morphe E36. It's just a smaller crease brush. You really want to like just blend out that black so it just smooths into that maroon color. Now comes the fun part. You want to take a concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to cut my crease. So you want to take it. I just have this, I think this is a BH Cosmetics brush. I use this brush to cut my crease, but I also use this brush to clean up my brows. Okay. I start from the inner corner. I just start from the bottom. And I just coat the bottom so that way I know what's happening. On this side, I'm going to have to start from the outside because I'm a lefty and it's just not working with me. So you cut it and make sure you're steady as can be. Using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And my Real Techniques shading brush. This is purple one. I'm going to take this kind of cream shade. It looks matte, but it has like a little bit of shimmer or sheen to it. And I'm just going to put that over the concealer. Then taking this came with in a gel eyeliner with I think it's Maybelline. And I'm going to grab this shimmery teal shade. And then I'm going to take that onto this brush and kind of work it into where you see it here, like in the outer corner. Like so. Just take that same brush and tap it off, the same shader brush, to kind of blend it in there. Now we're done with the color part. Now we're gonna take our eyeliner. It's so hard to make these look the same. Pray for me. Jesus help. Take this Revlon Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner and do my waterline. And I'm going to take a mix of these two colors and put that on my lower lash line. You want to extend it right under that liner so it kind of smokes out. And once we've done that, we're going to take our mascara. Next, I'm going to take this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Cheap Date. And I'm going to use that on the inner corner, but I'm also going to blend it with that teal color that I have on the inside. And next, we're going to highlight the brow bone with that same color we have in here. You just want to blend that out. That was in M326 brush. And next, we're going to take that same brush that we used for the transition color and just blend everything together here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes and finish my face to get the finished look, and I'll be right back. So clearly I forgot to film an outro, but I leave you with some slay shots. I really hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.